It helps the channel as well a lot. And please subscribe, share these videos, like these videos, and also I also have to say welcome to all the new subscribers. I do appreciate each and every single one of you so much. But yeah, let's get into this um, chili cheese from Burger King with pink peri peri sauce. Peri peri chili sauce from Vasco da Gama peri peri. Oh, it's running here. I think it's because it's so hot. It's not thick. It's actually a runny sauce now. Wow. Mmm. It meant you taste the light goes off. It's not hot at all. It's just a nice, decent peri peri sauce. I have to say, it's got a bite. My dog is also around here waiting for his droewors. It's got a nice little bite.